Looking to upgrade your bedroom with a stylish, upholstered bed frame that won't break the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best upholstered bed frames available on Amazon right now. These frames combine comfort, style, and incredible value, all backed by thousands of real customer reviews. I've got all the links in the description box below, so let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, we have the Allewie Wingback platform bed. And this thing is seriously impressive if you want that sophisticated, almost boutique hotel aesthetic. That geometric wingback headboard stands 48 inches tall, giving you proper back support for late-night reading sessions. The breathable linen fabric feels premium to the touch, and it's wrapped around a solid construction that includes high-density wooden slats and a steel frame. You're looking at a bed that can handle up to 800 pounds without breaking a sweat. The assembly is surprisingly straightforward, taking about 30 minutes with 2 people. What really stands out is that 8-inch clearance underneath. You can slide storage bins, seasonal clothes, or those random boxes you don't know what to do with right under there. The wingback design isn't just for looks either. It actually prevents the whole frame from shaking or wobbling when you move around. Here's the thing to consider, though. That tall headboard means you need adequate ceiling height and wall space. If you're in a smaller room or have low ceilings, this 48-inch headboard might feel a bit overwhelming and make your space feel cramped. But for the price point, you're getting exceptional value. The linen upholstery looks way more expensive than it is, and customers consistently mention how sturdy this frame feels, even after months of use. If you want that elevated designer look without the designer price tag, this is your move. At number 4, we're looking at the Allewie Queen upholstered platform bed, and this is the minimalist's dream. Clean lines, fully padded headboard, and absolutely zero unnecessary details. Sometimes simple is exactly what you need, and this frame nails that aesthetic perfectly. The entire frame is wrapped in skin-friendly fabric that's soft enough to lean against comfortably. Those solid wood slats provide excellent mattress support for anything from 8 to 15 inches thick. So whether you've got a slim memory foam or a thick pillow top, you're covered. What customers rave about is the silent operation. Allewie built in these EVA mute bars that prevent any friction between components. No creaking, no squeaking, just peaceful sleep. The 800-pound weight capacity means this frame handles couples, pets, and whatever else ends up on your bed without complaint. Assembly takes about an hour, and the instructions are actually clear with properly labeled parts. Everything arrives in one box, which is convenient for apartment dwellers who don't want multiple deliveries. The frame sits at a modern height that makes getting in and out of bed effortless. Now, here's what you should know. Because it's fully upholstered with that clean look, it can show dust and pet hair more easily than darker or textured fabrics. If you have shedding pets or allergies, you'll want to vacuum this frame regularly to keep it looking fresh. Landing at number 3 is the Nectar bed frame with upholstered headboard. And Nectar really nailed the mid-century modern aesthetic here. Those 8-inch legs give it that classic elevated look while still providing easy access to get in and out of bed comfortably. The button-tufted headboard adds sophisticated detail without going overboard. Available in gray or linen colors, it's versatile enough to work whether you're going for modern farmhouse, Scandinavian, or contemporary style. The fabric upholstery feels quality, not that cheap, scratchy stuff some brands use. What makes this frame special is the reinforced support system. Solid wood slats with center support bars handle up to 700 pounds, and reviewers consistently mention how sturdy it feels, even years after purchase. The mid-height legs also create perfect under-bed storage without needing drawers. Here's what to consider. The setup is straightforward, but requires a bit more attention to detail during slat installation. Make sure those slats are evenly spaced and secured properly. It's not difficult, just don't rush through that step, or you might hear some movement later. Nectar's reputation for quality really shows here. You're getting a frame from a company known for their mattresses, so they understand proper support. Assembly is genuinely quick, with all parts packed in the headboard's zippered compartment. And that 700-pound capacity means this bed will last through multiple mattress upgrades. The value is outstanding for a frame that looks this good. Coming in at number 2, the Allewie platform bed with storage drawers. And honestly, this is where form meets function in the best way possible. You're getting that gorgeous diamond button tufted upholstery that looks like something from a luxury furniture showroom, plus 4 steel storage drawers built right in. Those drawers are game changers for bedroom organization. We're talking serious storage space for bedding, clothes, shoes, whatever you need tucked away. The steel construction means they glide smoothly and handle heavy items without warping or breaking down over the years. What's really clever is the adjustable headboard. You can set it at 40 or 42 inches depending on your mattress thickness, which accommodates mattresses from 6 to 14 inches. That customization ensures perfect proportions regardless of what mattress you're using. Now keep in mind though, with those storage drawers, you'll need a bit more clearance around your bed for drawer operation. Measure your bedroom layout to ensure you can fully extend the drawers without hitting walls, dressers, or other furniture pieces nearby. This is the best seller in Amazon's bed frame category for good reason. You're solving 2 problems at once, getting a beautiful, comfortable bed and adding massive storage capacity. The 800-pound weight capacity and noise-free EVA bars mean this stays silent and stable for years. For anyone dealing with limited closet space, this is honestly a no-brainer purchase. And taking the number 1 spot is the Zinus Lottie upholstered bed frame, the ultimate combination of style, value, and functionality. That square tufted headboard is iconic, and Zinus has perfected this design over years of customer feedback and refinements. The construction is seriously impressive. Steel and wood frame hybrid with plush foam padding throughout, and it holds up to 700 pounds across all sizes. Reddit users consistently call this the best bed they've ever owned, with 0 squeaking even after years of use. That's reliability you can trust. Here's where it gets even better. Versions with built-in USB charging ports on both sides of the headboard. No more reaching for wall outlets or dealing with charging cables across your nightstand. Everything is integrated and clean. Plus, assembly is under an hour with all parts packed in the headboard zippered compartment. The consideration here is the foam padding on the headboard is comfortable, but can compress slightly over time with heavy leaning. It's still supportive, just develops a bit of character. For the price difference versus premium frames, it's a reasonable trade-off that doesn't affect function. The color options are extensive: gray, blue slate, beige, and more to match any style. The 5-year warranty shows Zinus stands behind their product. You're paying budget-friendly prices for a frame that looks, feels, and performs like it costs 3 times more. Thousands of 5-star reviews don't lie. Those are my top 5 upholstered bed frames that deliver style, comfort, and value. Remember to check those Amazon links in the description box below. I've included all the options and sizes discussed today. Thanks for watching, and here's to better sleep in a bedroom you absolutely love. Don't forget to subscribe for more home furniture reviews.